So, dear friends, we take up today chapter ratio and proportion. Ratio and proportion. Let us start by discussing some fundamentals. Let us first define the term ratio. What is a ratio? Ratio means comparison of two or more quantities of same kind by division. In the comparison, ratio is comparison of two or more quantities of same kind by division. For example, 10-meter length and 20-meter length. We compare these two. Quantities are of same kind. It is length, it is also length. And these must also be in the same set of units, meter and meter. So we compare them. Comparison means, here comparison means we divide. So it is 1 by 2. And we use this symbol for writing ratio. So this we shall write as 1 is to 2. 1 is to 1 is to 2. Similarly, we can compare 100-liter milk and 500-liter milk. Let us compare these two. 100-liter, 100 liter divided by 500 liter. So it is 1 upon 5, that is equal to 1 is to 5. So remember, ratio means we compare quantities of same kind, length, volume, and in same set of units also. Please keep in mind, in same set of units. So this is the meaning of the term ratio. So in general, if I write ratio as A is to B, and here A is called first term and B is called second term. A is called first term, B is called second term. The other names are, A is called antecedent A, antecedent ANTE, CEDENT, antecedent, and B is called consequent. So either we can call them first term and second term or antecedent and consequent. So these are the names for A and B, first term or second term and antecedent or consequent, right? Now there are some facts about ratios, some facts about ratios, some important points about ratio, about ratio, some important point about ratio. First point you must keep in mind that ratio can be multiplied or divided by same non-zero number. Let us write ratio 1 is to 2. This means 1 by 2. If I wish, I can multiply top and bottom number by 5. 5 upon 10. These two have same meaning. 1 is to 2 or 5 is to 10. But please keep in mind, when the common factor is cancelled, that is when we cancel this 5 and 5, the resulting ratio, that is 1 is to 2, we call it to be ratio in lowest form. Lowest form. The lowest form means when the first term and second term are having common factor 1 only, as 1 only. They have no common factor other than 1. So 20 is to 30 can be written as 2 is to 3 by cancelling common factor 10. So this becomes a ratio in lowest form. This becomes a ratio in lowest form. This you must keep in mind. And it is custom to write ratio in lowest terms only, lowest form or lowest term only. So this is lowest term. 20 is to 30. This becomes in lowest form or lowest term. Second point to be kept in mind is the order of terms in a ratio is important. The order of terms in the ratio is important. That is 2 is to 3 is a different from 3 is to 2. So here 2 and 3 cannot be arbitrarily changed. 2 is to 3 has different meaning, 3 is to 2 has different meaning. Next point is we write ratio. Ratio is taken only between the positive quantities. Ratio is taken between positive quantities only. So we can write ratio between 20 liter milk and 40 liter milk. It has meaning. But we cannot write ratio between minus 20 liter milk and 90 liter milk. It has no meaning. It has no meaning. So we write ratio only between positive quantities. Only between positive quantities. The next point is The ratio is taken between quantities of same kind only. I have told you in the beginning also. Ratio is taken between quantities of same kind. I have told you, like 100 centimeter length and 500 centimeter length. We can find the ratio. 100 is to 500 is 1 is to 5. 1 is to 5. 1 is to 5. So quantities must be of same kind. So we will not be writing ratio between length and say area. So quantities are different. We cannot find the ratio. So important point is also very important point. The ratio is a number, simply number. It has no unit. Ratio is number. It has no unit. Like we find ratio 20 meter cloth and 40 meter cloth. When we find a ratio means comparison by division. Therefore, unit is cancelled. So 20 upon 40 we cancel by 10. It is 2 by 4. And it is 1 by 2, which we write as 1 is to 2. 1 is to 2. So here the common unit got cancelled. Thereby we found that the resulting number has no unit. Resulting number has no unit. The ratio has no unit. It is unitless quantity because the common unit gets cancelled. Common unit gets cancelled. One thing more you keep in mind, please. In case the ratios are given as fractions, ratio means the terms of ratios are given as fractions. Let us say 3 by 4 is to 1 by 4. In case the terms of a ratio, first term, this is second term, these are given as fraction. So we can convert them into whole number ratio by multiplying both the terms by LCM of bottom numbers. LCM of bottom numbers. Here 4 and 4 has LCM 4. Therefore, I write 3 upon 4 into 4 is to 1 upon 4 into 4. This 4 is cancelled. This 4 is also cancelled, leaving behind ratio 3 is to 1. So we could convert this ratio with the terms of ratio were in fraction form into the ratio with the terms as whole numbers. We will continue with the discussion on the same topic in the next video also. Thank you.